We've covered a ton of material in this video. We started out by looking at jQuery and how to work with selectors to select elements from the page, how to manipulate the content of the DOM. We looked at how to work with CSS and how to add effects to the various manipulations that we make. From there, we moved on to look at why JavaScript files are structured the way that they are in a Drupal context and how to add that to our own JavaScript files. And then we looked at several implementations of Drupal add.js to add content to the header or the footer or to add JavaScript code inline. We looked at how to use the Ajax library in Drupal in order to dynamically change content on the page after a server request. And then finally, we took a look at the various utilities that we didn't cover in this video that you can leverage in your own interfaces that are included with Drupal core. From here, there's several things you can do. First of all, you could start by writing a JavaScript file that adds a new behavior to Drupal. Next, you can explore the placement of your JavaScript file using Drupal add.js. What happens when you add it in the header, and what happens when you add it in the footer. You can also explore using libraries in your code. First of all, you can define a library, and building on what you learned from this video, also add some CSS files along with the JavaScript files when you define the library. And you can also explore leveraging one of the existing libraries in Drupal core in your code and using it to enhance your code. And when you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next video.